Hey guys, so here's a quick video on how to create your first job in NextMinute. As you'll see here, we're on the All Jobs screen, which is found just under Jobs here on the left hand side. Now to create a job, you can clearly just click on Add or Add using Template once you've got an existing job that you kind of might use more than once. Some example jobs here, such as this painting job, renovations job, landscaping job, so you can click on those and explore those if you need to, and clearing those out is really easy to do. I'll just show you that quickly just in case. Go to admin here and you'll see the delete button to delete the dummy data. Now back to all the jobs, simply just click on add and it'll pop out a little card on the right hand side here. So the things you need for a job, of course, is a title, which is generally a reference point for your job. So let's go with building a deck. You want to give the job a type as well, which is also a reference, so you can kind of get an idea on what kind of job it is at a glance. And you can also use these for filters. Now you can also edit these job types. These are the factory types we've got here, just by clicking edit. For now, I'll just click small. Now the next thing you want to do is assign a pricing type. Generally jobs have a couple of different types. There's do and charge or charge up jobs, and quoted or estimate type jobs as well. If I click on pricing type here, I can select fixed price or time and materials, and again these can be edited if your business uses different pricing types. For now I'll go fixed price, and next step is assigning a customer. So click to assign a customer. If you do tie in your MYOB or your Xero account, your entire customer database will be able to show up in NextMinute, which saves a lot of time and double handling of having to re-enter those customers. If it's a brand new customer, simply go add up here and punch in their details. For now, I'll go with James Bond. And if you do have multiple different sites for a customer, so an example of a site might be your customer is a real estate agent and the site is the actual location of where you're going to service, you can set the site up there. Now if you want to give the job a description, just pop it down there as well. So building a deck, weren't we? Prefer Quila for not even sure if I spelt that right, but hopefully we're okay there. Now, if you're creating a job which is not going to be charged to your clients, but something you need as a reference point for work you're accumulating, tick this box here as internal job. There's also the option to tick this box, user timesheets must be entered against tasks. Now, if you break a job down into stages, which we can look at not in this video, but in future stuff, it'll allow you to basically break down a job and then assign billable charges or files and photos and time and stuff against the stage of a job. Just helps kind of keeping track of different bits and pieces. In this stage you can also assign jobs to staff. There's also the option in the system so all of your staff can see all jobs, but if you want to assign it to a specific staff member, just click on assign to and select from a list. Finally, if you need to, you can set a priority for the job, schedule it in, create those tasks I was talking about, but it's not really necessary to do any of that to begin with. So simply hit save here, and we've got that job card. Nice and simple. Once you've built that job card, you'll notice that you've got a whole lot of buttons here that will allow you to kind of continue on with different bits and pieces of the job. And on your mobile phone, if you've got the NextMinute app, which I highly recommend you download if you haven't already, you'll be able to now see any of these jobs you create. So thanks for taking a look at that. Stay tuned for our next video on probably doing timesheet entries. Cheers.